Oh my god.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
That entire just like go out. The tire.
Oh my, he just hit them.
He hit them?
What is going on?
Oh shit. I just thought his tire like exploded. I was like, what the hell?
No, he's like fully just like broken.
What just happened?
The cop's not even paying attention to him.
Where did he even go?
He went all the way down the street. No, I guess he didn't hit anyone. What the fuck was that?
And look, the wheel is like smoking on the road.
What the fuck?
It looks like his tire like exploded, didn't it?
Yeah, but it's like... I have the camera. I don't know what happened, but I just saw it was a Challenger. It came right past. Its front, like, entire driver's side wheel assembly was... I thought he did, but everyone drove away. I have it on camera. I saved it, but all it saw was just him coming through the intersection.
Yeah, we saw him fly by, but I mean, you know, he didn't hit anybody.
I don't think he... No one pulled over or stopped. Everyone just kind of... Maybe? All right. Yep.
All right, well, thank you.
Yep. Oh, fuck. The whole wheel just like...